Hello, second graders, and welcome back to math. We are working on 15.2, our last chapter, 15.2. That's the second lesson in chapter 15, page 737. And our learning target is identify angles of a polygon. Now, there's one that I want to show you that we didn't talk about yesterday, and that is a right angle. Now, right angles, believe it or not, are going to be very important starting now. And then as we get into more and more math, you are going to see right angles and you'll see that they are important. And I want to just show you a right angle. And I'll show you the picture that shows you it is a right angle. But it draws this. If you can see this little square in the corner, that is a right angle. Now, technically, it is 90 degrees. I'm not going to ask you to know that right now. But what I want you to think about is look at this corner. It's like the corner of a piece of paper, right? It is not like the corner of a triangle that's got a very small vertex. It's like the corner on a piece of paper that is called a right angle. Okay, so that's something that we will see, and we will say right angles in this lesson. All right, so let's get started. This says color the triangle blue. Now, I remember that triangle meant three angles. Now, blue, let me see. Forgive me, boys and girls. I did my best. I couldn't find crayons with words on them. And Mr. Garrett, I believe I explained, is colorblind. So if this is purple, I apologize. You can just look and say, he was trying to do blue. So I'm hoping. So this is the triangle. It's got 1, 2, 3 sides, which makes it a triangle, 3 sides. Color the quadrilateral. Quad, remember, means 4. So let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, more than 4. So it's not this. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, that said, color the quadrilateral that has 4 sides red. So let me just color this in. And I believe I did pretty good choosing the red. Let's go next. Color the pentagon green. Pent means 5, remember, pent. So let's see. Oh, this doesn't have any straight sides. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there it is. 5. So I have to color it green. And that looks like it's green. Okay. And color the hexagon orange. Hex, remember, it stands for 6, or it means 6. So let's color this. This only has 1 curve all the way around, no sides, no vertices. This has got to be it. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to color it orange. All right. There we go. Which shape is not colored? How is it different from the other shapes? Well, I have the triangle, the pentagon, the quadrilateral, and the hexagon. They're all colored. This is not. The circle. The circle is not colored. Then it says, how is it different from the other shapes? It has no straight sides and no vertices. Remember, vertex is where two straight sides meet. This doesn't have any straight sides. So there is your answer as to how come that is different. So let me get these out of the way, and let's turn the page to 738. Remember, a polygon is a closed two-dimensional shape with three or more sides. Okay? A quadrilateral has four angles. And let's take a look at this. This says it's got two that are right angles. That's what I was talking about. And they have helped us out by drawing in a square here. They're saying this is like the edge of a piece of paper, right? I can put that in there and it would be the same, or I can put this in here and it would be the same. If I put this here along this, it doesn't go along this other angle. And if I put this here, then it covers up that angle. So that is not a right angle. All right, let's go through and do number one. How many angles? It's not asking for sides this time. It's asking for just angles. So let's count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if it has 6 angles, then we know what shape it is, but that's not what it's asking now. Now it's asking how many are right angles. Well, this doesn't look like the vertex that I would see at the corner of a piece of paper. This one doesn't look like that, or this one, or even this one. See, it goes up, not straight across. But let's look here. This line and this line go on that right there. And I come over here to the other side and exactly right. So how many are the right angles? 2. 2 right angles. It's got 6 angles. 2 of them are right. If it's got 6 angles, we know that it has 6 sides, which makes it a hexagon, because hex means 6. All right, let's see how many angles are here. I have 1 here, 2, and 3. How many are right angles? Well, let's put this on there. Oh, no, I would have to bend my paper to find the other line. Let's go here. If I put this right on this vertex, again, I would have to bend my paper to find that line. But if I do this, I can put it, and it will be on this line and this line. This, I'll draw my square, is a right angle. So how many does it have? Just 1. All right. And the shape is, it's got 3 angles, which means it is a triangle, because tri means 3. Here we go. Let's go to the next one. How many angles? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are right angles? So let's go with this piece of paper and put this here. I can see both of these lines. Okay, so there's 1. I can see, look at that. I see a line here and here. There's another one. Let's go here and here. Look at this. There, that is another one. And let's come over here. Look at that. All 4 of them. 1 here, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. All 4 angles are right angles. And it's got 4 angles, which means it has 4 sides. It's closed, which means it is you are right, quadrilateral. Quad, of course, means 4. All right. How many angles does this shape have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many right angles? If I put this on this vertex, on this corner, then I have to lift my paper to see that other line. Let's look at the other bottom. I come over to the corner, and then, nope, I can't see that line until I pick up the paper. All right, let's go up here. I put this on this corner. Oh, and this line, you'll see, goes away from my edge of the paper. That's not right. And how about this one? Oh, I see this is on the top line, but this line goes away from my paper. So zero right angles. But it's still got 4 angles, which makes it, again, a quadrilateral. Excellent. Let's go to the next page, 739. How many angles? You can tell me. 1, 2, 3. Can anybody look at that and say how many right angles there are? Well, I know that one looks too small, and this one looks too small, but that one looks just like a right angle one. And since it's got 3 angles, it is a triangle. Excellent. How many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see. I look here, I start there. There, I'm on the corner, but this line is going away from the edge of my paper. Let's see if this one works. I go here, and the line is here, but this line doesn't go next to the paper. Let's go on this corner. So here goes all the way to that corner, but then the other line goes away from my paper. Let's come here. Oh, look at that. It goes on this side of the paper, and then up there, this is a right angle. And then I'll take this paper, and oh, look at that. It fits right in there. There's 1 and 2. Good. So how many right angles? 2. Does the number of right angles tell me what shape it is? No, you are absolutely correct. It doesn't have anything to do with what shape it is. It just tells which are 90 degree, which are right angles. So if it has 5 angles, remember pent means 5. So pentagon. And let's come down here. I want to do this. You can do these, and I hope you can find how many angles and right angles. This one says, draw and name a polygon with 6 angles. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are going to be where my lines meet. I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's got a polygon because all of these are closed. It's got 6 lines, and I know that since it's got 6, it is a hexagon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are running out of time. If I want to draw a polygon with 2 right angles, I can have 1, it's like I'm drawing a square, 1 and 2, and then I'll just come out here, 1 and 2. Those are right. These are not. It does have 2 right angles. All right, do the practice pages next, and I hope you have a fantastic day.